guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Miriam. I do DIY videos, home decor, and home staging. So I have a Dollar Tree, as usual, another one, DIY for you guys, a Dollar Tree wall decor. So this picture frame that I'm taking apart is from the dollar store, of course. And I'm just taking out the back piece and I'm going to use this placemat that I'm about to show you and simply trace out the square or the size of the frame. And I'm going to do that with my pencil and my scissors.